Right, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put the back all the pads and push the pods into the right position. So to do that, I will need my old pads and maybe, oh, actually I'm not gonna use a pin. I'm gonna use Allen key. Perfect. Yep. Okay, so I will put now these pads back into caliper, and yeah, of course if you've got if you think I do something wrong, I'm not a professional mechanic. I'm just doing this movie because I didn't saw any movie for Zx6r J version how to change pads, so I thought I'm gonna record it while I'm doing it. Maybe someone will have a use. So if I do something wrong, please email me. Next time I will improve. I'm open to any comments. You can post below the movie, ask questions. Okay, so what's happening now is I've placed the old pads. I'm gonna get some screwdriver. Probably flat or something similar. Maybe this will be good. And what I'm trying to do here is I'm gonna push this in between the pads and then maybe gently twist. I will try to do it from the top so it's nice and visible. Okay, as you see, I'm pushing it gently and twisting it, so I do try apply same pressure on all pods in terms to move the pods back. Okay, they gently move back. Obviously there is no rush, no hurry. That's why I've cleaned my pots before, so it goes easier than if they are dirty. And on top of that, you've got you can be sure that no dirt and stuff that's not supposed to go into caliper. Everything stays outside, because obviously it can damage your caliper. I'm gonna switch off now, so you know what I mean, and I'll push them back all the way down. Then I'm gonna put new pads, and yeah, and then it will be pretty much done.